Come on then, let's go. Just look at you, silly. Come on, Phil.
Come on, kid.
Good afternoon. It's May the 6th, King's Coronation Day. I've just finished watching him waving everybody off on the balcony. I'm not a big royalist, especially the King. I did like the Queen though, and I did actually feel sad when she passed away. Yeah, I especially liked Bohemian Rhapsody, which I guess most of us do. But yeah, when she went, it was quite sad. And even when Prince Philip went, I did have a little lump in my throat. But then we don't get out of this place alive, so we've got to make the best of what we've got while we've got it, haven't we? And that's why I'm out here today. And it is quite warm. As forecast, it must be, I don't know, 13, 14 degrees. So I'm out with the girls today, and I'm going back down to see if I can spot the buzzards again, but I'm not sure. They're so flighty. As soon as they see the girls, they're away, which you'd expect, kind of. But enjoy my video anyway. I'll take some. I'll try and get some unusual footage today, but we'll see anyway. Enjoy. I did remember to give the girls their antihistamines before I came out as well, which, I mean, Tilly's, she's not actually in the nettles, but they're underneath the weeds there, but hopefully it won't have too much of an effect on her. Poppy seems to be a little bit out of it today. She's keeping dry, she's not gone in the field at all. I'm not sure what's going on there. So the rapeseed flower is just coming to the end of its sort of pollinating time. So from now on the pollen should start reducing, but as you can see, I go further down the stem, the flowers have been germinated and they're actually going to the sort of the long pods. You might be able to see on the end, so I don't zoom in anymore. There, that will be the seed pod. So yeah, it's quite beautiful. Let's zoom out, have a look at what's behind. It does look rather stunning. So we're almost up to the end of our walk for today. Just got to get onto that tree there, and that becomes the road then, Furbeck Lane. So hope you've enjoyed this short video, and speak to you soon. Bye.